And so, yung adaptability ninyo will be showed off, no, this next couple of weeks. And you're going to be at the point, no, where you need to be. Kasi because of your adaptability and flexibility. So, this is really good. Kasi isa ito sa mga ingredient, no, na kung bakit kayo makakapunta or makakarating sa kung saan kayo dapat mapunta or kung saan ninyo gustong makarating, ano man ang gusto ninyong maabot, dahil din yan, no? Isang ingredient dyan is yung adaptability and flexibility ninyo, no? Walang pagkukontra sa kung ano mangyayari. You're just going with the flow. You're just going to learn how to get around, no, your situation. Kung meron man kunyaring mga problema or challenges, you know, hindi kayo yung magrereklamo, hindi kayo yung kukontra sa salungat or whatsoever. You're just going to embrace what is happening. You're just going to surrender everything, you know, to the divine. Kaya mas magiging, kumbaga, smooth sailing, you know, yung kaganapan sa buhay ninyo. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang mga mensahe para sa iyo, Aries. We also have physical activity. Ayan. So, siguro, ang iba sa inyo, maaaring hindi na kayo nagkakaroon ng time, 'di ba, to exercise, or hindi na kayo madalas na nakakatayo at nagiging busy, na hindi pagiging busy sa trabaho, but yung mabusy kayo sa pag-exercise, walking, or kung ano man, ano, that will help your physical health or your overall health, yung ganon. Pwede rin na meron ako nakikitang nagtatanim, na may mga paso, merong nagtatanim. So, baka ang iba sa inyo rito, Aries, is plantito or plantita, and maybe in the past, you know, siguro during COVID time pa, no, talagang na ano kayo, na humaling kayo, you know, sa pagiging plantito at plantita, and for some reason, siguro lately, wala na, no, nag-fade away yung interest ninyo sa pagtatanim. Kaya maaaring dati yun yung ginagawa ninyo madalas, yun yung physical activity ninyo, nagtatanim kayo, nag-aalaga kayo ng mga halaman ninyo, yung ganon. But now, yun nga, baka naiba na yung interest ninyo, naiba na yung focus ninyo. Kaya you're being invited here again, to once again engage in physical activity.